Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HCMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this one had just crazy volume, really the past couple of days. You look down here, and I mean, we were talking about billions upon billions of shares traded, and it just got me kind of wondering, is this some sort of bottom that's maybe forming? Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say that just because there's a large amounts of volume does not mean that for sure guaranteed a bottom has formed. But my point here is that the price has been basically going sideways here for a little bit. So is this some sort of, kind of basing period where the price is going to start to show some signs of strength? But you also have to acknowledge the fact that, let me move this down here, there is a very clear downward slope to things, right? So as time has gone, these highs just keep getting lower and lower and lower. So that doesn't mean that the price can never move upwards again. My point here is that it's just a situation where if there is going to be any sort of movement back to the upside, I mean, it's very clearly going to take a whole lot of upward strength and momentum, and anything's possible. But all that's going to start with, can the price build up enough momentum and enough volume? And the volume part seems to be there. Again, after today, a big amount of volume, so we'll have to see if the price can push up through that area. And the first bit of confirmation that the price is maybe building up enough volume and building up some momentum is, can the price break up above that area up there at 0012? So 0012 going to be a very important level to kind of confirm or really deny whether or not there's any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of basically meaningless action when it comes to the volume. So keep an eye on that. And if the price, now don't get me wrong also, if the price gets up there and breaks through 0012, that doesn't mean that for sure guaranteed a massive reversal is going to happen. My point here is, at that point, it becomes a little bit more valid. It becomes a little bit more rational to be questioning if some sort of bigger movement will be occurring. So keep an eye on these levels, and let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.